Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Chrome's tab groups for better organizations. So the Chrome's tab groups feature is an excellent way to organize your tabs, making it easier to manage multiple open tabs during your browsing sessions. And through this video, I'm going to show you a guide on how you can use the tab groups effectively. So the tab groups on Chrome will allow you to group related tabs together under a single label, and you can assign a color to each group for visual clarity. You can collapse or expand groups to save space in the tab bar in here at the top. And if you want to create a tab group on desktop, you can just open Chrome, and here you can see I have multiple tabs open. You can just right click on a tab you want to include in a group, and then select add tab to new group, this one. And in here you can just choose the name. So in the pop-up you can just name the group. For example, I'm going to name it work, and in here you can choose a color for the group. I'm going to go with yellow. And now you can just add the other tabs to the group. So you can just right click on the other tab in here, and add tab to group and choose work, and just repeat the same steps for other tabs that you want to add to the group. Okay, so when you click on this tab, you can see it will expand what's on the tabs groups on Chrome. So if you want to rename a group, you can just right click on the group tab, and here you can just rename it by deleting the current one and add a new one. If you want to change the color, you can do it in here, and you can also remove a tab from a group by clicking on the tab that you want to remove. And here you can see that there's this option, remove from group. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.